Alrighty folks, today we've got the 45 tonne log splitter with the handy log table as well. From there we've got the 15 tonne horsepower motor. We've got 16-inch tyres, so it's really handy for around the farm and the property to tow around for cutting wood. We've got the reflector on the rear, we've got the hydraulic oil in the axle, which is terrific, all the hoses. We've got a 2-stage pump coming around to the long hoses. Also got the coupling and the jockey wheel, which is a swing up jockey wheel, quite handy. From there, again, the big 15 horsepower motor gives you plenty of power to pump the hydraulic oil to smash those heavy logs. So I'll give you a demonstration now. So this is a 15 horsepower 45 tonne hydraulic full start log splitter. So motor on, fuel on, choke on, bit of power from there, that's your throttle, into there, and away we go. Go folks, the 45 tonne hydraulic log saw from Lyal Eales stores. It's a real beauty, heavy duty, good unit.